Hi everyone, it's Tonya Lawrence here, Messy Hair Monday as you can see. I just wanted to create this quick video to share how excited I am about this new company that we're working with. You know, if you've been out there and you've been passionate about network marketing, your opportunity to not change or exchange time for money and being able to leverage your life and your lifestyle, but just haven't found your niche or weren't able to build a team, guys, we got something for you. Holton Bugs, an industry icon in network marketing, has just started his own company, and we've kind of broke the code. We have a way for you to, yeah, that's my business partner, my grandson. We have a way for you to build a revenue, an extremely significant revenue, working from home. Yes, sweetheart. Yes, we're talking to everyone. A revenue working from home and helping people not by selling them a product or a service that they can get cheaper somewhere else, but offering them a free link that they can get savings on and you get paid. So right now we're seeing that in the future of this company, some of our top income earners will be people who were not ever able to build a team or are not strong team builders, but simply went out and helped other people. So if that's your passion and you want to find your stride, you want to find that opportunity for yourself, click on the link below, watch this short interactive video. It is the hottest marketing tool I've ever seen in the history of business. I was an investment banker for almost 20 years, in network marketing for about the same amount of time. So I can tell you, I've seen some things, and this does not compare to anything I've ever seen. So click the link, reach out for more information, and I look forward to seeing you at the top, having you on our team, motivating you, helping you build, helping you achieve the dreams that you've had, and making things go the way that you want for your future without exchanging time for money. All right, we'll talk soon. Tonya Lawrence.